What's up guys, it's Anthony, and in today's video, just kind of like a little bit of a vlog. I just got done replacing the upstream O2 sensor on the Project XJ, and I'm out here just cruising in the country, and I found a little ditch and I wanted to flex out. Something kind of funny happened, so I just wanted to show you guys, and we'll probably go back to the garage and fix what just happened, because it just scared the shit out of me. So, but let me show you guys. So, and I backed down, obviously you could see I was a lot higher up, but yeah, we just straight pulled the rear sway bar out of the bushing. Yeah, that's not supposed to happen. And my rear shock's still in there. But so far the Project XJ seems really happy and content with the upstream O2. Let's double check. No check engine light. So, but I figured I'll set the camera back up and we'll flex a little bit. It's got sway bars front and rear, but it looks like we're gonna pull the rear sway bar off today. And I'd like to keep the front one, but you know, shitbox life. So, but let's go ahead and flex this out a little bit more. Yeah, I'd say she's in the air. Yeah, but I did that and the sway bar swung up and hit the unibody right there. But she is stuffed. The front end I know definitely would come a lot further. We just got to disconnect the front sway bar. So yeah, but I think we're gonna go home and go and pull that rear sway bar off, so that way it's not flopping around and causing a bunch of issues. So, but yeah, there's the thumbnail right there. So hey guys, what's up? It's been a couple days since the last clip that you guys seen. I just got home that day and I didn't have time to work on the Jeep, but today we've got a blizzard coming here in Colorado pretty much over the weekend. It's Thursday right now. You guys might see this Friday, maybe Saturday, but I need to pull the rear sway bar off because it's smacking the body and creating a big dent, and I'm just tired of hearing the thumping. So we're gonna go ahead and jack the back of the Jeep up, get the tires off, pull the rear sway bar, maybe paint the leaf springs and just kind of get some paint and clean up rust and stuff on that, so that way it just looks a little bit nicer. But yeah, let's go ahead and do that. It's kind of cold outside. We got the garage door closed. Don't have the best lighting in the garage. I need to get some lights, but yeah, it's not too bad. It's kind of warm in here right now since the Jeep's hot from me being at work or coming home from work. But yeah, let's go ahead and get the tires off and get into the sway bar. So as you guys can see right here, the sway bar came out of its little end link thing, but we're just gonna go ahead and pop this loose and pull it loose from down here on the body and call it a day, because it's an XJ. You don't really need the rear sway bar. You can see the damage that it's been doing to that. And then I'm gonna go and get my wire wheel, and I wanna hit some of this. It's a little too muddy to paint in here, which sucks. I should have went and sprayed this off, but oh well. Maybe I'll just hand wipe it down and we'll say fuck it and paint it. But like, look at the rust build up on this. So I just want to clean it up a little bit, clean these studs up because they're brutal. So, but yeah, let's go ahead and I'm gonna throw some BB blaster on the bolts and work on getting this thing out of here. So we're not going to be able to take the little end-link thing out because this is an 18 and I only have an 18 deep socket to put on the back, and I don't have anything that will fit in here. So we're kind of SOL on taking that off. So we're just going to take it loose from here and pop it out, and hopefully it'll come out, and we'll just leave the end link in there. Okay, those are out. Now time to go and break the other side loose, and man, these things were in there. So let's go ahead and do that. Our exhaust job isn't holding up too well. She's rusting pretty good, but this is together pretty nice still. But typical XJ, you know, dirty as hell underneath. Let's go break the other side loose. I really should have washed this before I decided to try and do this. I'm getting so much dirt falling in my face. Ugh. There we go. These bolts are super, super tight. But we're gonna switch over to the impact and just buzz these boys right off. One, if I can get it out of the socket. So much rust and stuff built up on these. Those done. Now we just gotta get it onto the end link and we'll be in business. So I believe if we just pull this bolt out of here, should leave enough pressure off this that I can just pop it out. So let's go ahead and try that. And also I think this leaf spring is broken because like, look at it. This top leaf is re-arched. I need new leaf springs really bad. So hopefully we can run into some money where I can order some lift springs for the back. We'll see. So I was just gonna put an outer leaf in these to get 2 inches and then do a 2-inch puck up front and then buy 3.5-inch shocks and just run it like that. Because that would be pretty sufficient for lift and run my stock tires still, since they do still have a lot of life left in them. But yeah, let's see. Let's go ahead and figure out what this bolt is and get it out. And I'll spray some PB in there, lube her up, and we should be in business. Maybe I'll cut these with the grinder just to make them a little bit better. Yeah, we'll see. All right, let's see my cheap little Bauer Harbor Freight impact can bust this loose. It broke it, but that's a-okay with me because now we should be able to get that thing out of there. All right, we got it out. Now it's time to snake it out of here, which is gonna be fun. So we've almost got it fished out. Here's this end. That end's hanging way out. So gonna go to the other side and see if we can finish pulling this thing out. All right, there it is. No more rear sway bar. Woo! I really think I might cut these just because I don't want them smacking the body. So we might cut those off real quick. Yeah, I think we're gonna go ahead and do that. Just fuck it. I just don't want them hitting the body anymore because this one's already all bent up and stuff anyways and smacking up there. So we're gonna go ahead and cut that off. Sorry, I don't have a bigger tripod to get you guys a reasonable view. So I'm just gonna have to improvise. You can kind of see what I'm gonna be doing. There we go. Alrighty, there's one down. Time to go do the other side. I was getting a little nervous because sparks were flying that way, so thankfully we didn't blow up. So we're good to go. Let's go knock out the other one and run inside and go grab my wire wheels, clean this bad boy up the rest of the way, throw it back together. There we go, all done. Now I just need to go get wire wheels and clean all this stuff up that I want. I'm gonna beat that back down so it's not chewing up my tire, and we're good to go.